Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and I'm excited to share with you today some new products from the Occasions catalog. It's live today, which is so exciting. I wanted to show you, here's what it looks like. And there's all sorts of fun things in here. But what I wanted to focus on today was Valentine's Day because it will be here before we know it. And I wanted to give you some ideas of things you could make for your friends and family. So here is the Valentine's layout. This is the Sure Do Love You stamp set and it's so cute. And it has some framelits, lots to love box framelits that coordinate with it. And all sorts of accessories, some gold glitter flakes, the beautiful paper. Oh, I have to show you this paper. It is so gorgeous. The tinsel trim combo pack, painted love gold vinyl stickers, and then of course our cardstock pack. And this is actually a 12 by 12 cardstock pack, which is kind of fun. Let me show you this beautiful specialty designer series paper that is coming in this suite. It is the gold foil is within the paper. As you can see, we've had paper like this before, but oh, it's just so gorgeous. And like, oh, I love the heart. So on every single sheet of paper, there is gold foil on it on one side. And then when you flip it onto the other side, it doesn't have the gold foil, but it's still those cute rich raspberry, calypso coral, melon mambo, powder pink, and whisper white colors. And oh my gosh, it's to die for. It's so cute and I'm loving it. So let me show you the stamp set. This is the Sure Do Love You stamp set. And here it is in person. It's really cute. You have some hearts and then this cute little leafy line outline to go around the hearts. And then the Sure Do Love You banner. And the best thing about these stamp sets is, again, there's the framelits that coordinate with it. So let me show you those. You have all those little hearts in there and the banner, which I absolutely love. And then also you have this piece, which makes a really fun box. So I'll show you some of those boxes a little later, but this is really fun to use too. So I wanted to show you some fun things that we have been working on with this suite and get you ready for Valentine's Day. So, oh, something I forgot to mention was in this suite also, they have these whisper white narrow note cards and envelopes. So there's these envelopes here and they open on the side, on the end here. These are 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. So they're just a little bit smaller, but they're so, so cute. And they also have these whisper white thick note cards that go with them. And those are 2.5 by 4.5. So they fit cute inside there. And they are really cute and fun. Perfect for Valentine's Day. So let me show you one that we came up with using that. This cute card and envelope just for you with, isn't that paper just gorgeous on there? So cute. And then I also came up with 3 more, and I didn't use the note cards on these ones because I wanted to have some colored paper behind, but I thought I would show you those 2 with the envelopes. And on this one, I used that chunky gold glitter, and you guys, this stuff, here it is. It is beautiful. It reminds me kind of, this heart, when I made that, it reminded me of, you know, those pillows where you have the sequins. Here, I'll just show you. Jill, of course, has one because she's obsessed with anything shiny, which is so fun. But you know these pillows where you can just sit here mesmerized all day by going like this? That's what this cute chunky glitter reminds me of, and I kind of love it. And my kids are obsessed with it. All 4 of my girls love it. So I thought that would be a cute one to give them to kind of represent that. And then, oh, and the cute little, I just did a cute little heart on the envelope, simple. And then I embossed with the gold. So you're my Valentine every single day. And I added just a little touch of that paper with the gold foil inside. Thought that was so pretty. And again, just a cute little heart on the envelope. And then Sure Do Love You, and I used some of that cute gold tinsel that comes in the combo pack there, and again just a little heart on the envelope. So cute and really simple and so fun. So I wanted to show you some really fun ideas with this Lots to Love Framelits Dies set. Here's a cute one with the box. I just cut out the heart right out of the box there and put a window sheet behind. And I used these Good and Plenty's. I thought they were kind of perfect for the colors, and they looked so cute in there. You can see them through with the heart. And then Jill actually came up with this really fun idea to use just half of the box so that you can see what's inside. You can just stick them inside. So she did this cute little gift idea. This actually was what she decided to send her direct downline for their Christmas gift. Some cute, this cute little box, and then the Stampin' blends that coordinate with the cute paper to go with it. And then I thought a chocolate bar also would go so cute in there for Valentine's Day. So I wanted to show you how we did this half box so you could do one yourself. So the nice thing about doing this half box is that you only need half a sheet of paper. So this is 11 by 4 1/4. And I'm just going to bring in my die cut here. And I'm going to run a full box through first. The full die. So I have one full sheet. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to run half of it through. So I'm just going to line up the top here, and then just as much as it'll give me. So you have one full piece and one half piece, like so. And then you're just going to trim off these little flaps here. So then you're just gonna fold this, fold the sides, and put the box together like you regularly would. You're just not gonna have the top of this one. So you'll fold this down just like so. You're gonna put fast fuse on this flap. Or you could also use the tear and tape. That would be a good one to use for this as well. And you'll just line up the sides here. Just like so. And then fold your bottom up. And you'll leave this side just open like that. Or a cute half box look. So easy. You do it the exact same basically. You just use a little bit less paper, and it goes together so cute. So I hope you enjoy the new Occasions catalog, and especially the Valentine suite in it. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. And thanks for stamping. We'll see you next week on another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.